Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and to this tutorial I would like to show you how to create a folder on VN application to work properly. So the first thing you have to do, open your VN application, and after you open it, this is the look of the VN application, and they will be containing the project that you have here. And if you work with a lot of projects, you need to make a folder and bring the same content into the folder to organize your work. So to create a folder, you just need to jump into these three small dots on the right upper corner. Just need to click it, and there will be two options here. There will be a notification and create a folder. You just need to go click create the folder. And now you can also adjusting the color of the folder just depending upon your preference. If you want to have like a purple, just go with the purple, or pink if you like pink. And after that, you can also choose the symbols that you want to have on it. For example, if you want to have a cat, just need to go click cat emoji and just go click create the folder. And after you're done, you just need to go click it and go click this plus button. You just need to start editing the new project, or you can also bring the old project that you have by click these three small dots and move to folder, and you just need to click the folder. So that's the way how to create a new folder on a VN application. If you find that the tutorial today is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.